and cut you off and cut you back on. Hey, you watching Blue Bike North channel? We go for a venture. I gotta take my main squeeze on a overnight trip now. Run that intro. GoPro stop recording. Alrighty, I should have cleaned my lens. My visor. My visor. Ooh, gonna be one of those days, huh? Welcome back to the Blue Bike North channel. I thought I just did that. Time and temperature check. It is 47.3 degrees. Out of that blackberry winter, I think. Mother Nature, she's on crack. It was 80 yesterday, and think that today's 65 is the high. Lordy. Welcome to March in the South. Or almost April. We'll be getting them April showers and tornadoes. And it's 10:34 to be exact. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to stay inside Georgia today because our governor said we ain't paying high taxes on our fuel. So he dropped like 10 cents. Oh, enough about that. I believe he's doing the right thing, but I don't think we should give it back to Iran after we're done with them. I think we just own the Straits of Bldg or whatever they call it. The Straits. Yep, that's ours now. Y'all pay us toll for every tanker that goes through there. We saving y'all's fuel. We are not only like 10% of our fuel comes through there. But yeah, price and demand, you know, that's how it works. I'm just rambling on stuff. What are we doing today, Mr. Blue Bike? Well, we taking the main squeeze Lucille on an overnight trip. You know, got to show her some love. And Beth come along with us because got to show her some love too. Since I ran off last week, well, I didn't really do it on the weekend, so it was just a Friday trip. Still had fun hanging out with the boys, you know, old Black Ice and Brent. Good times. We made the best of it. Had fun, had enjoyed the ride up there, 430 miles total trip rounds. So today we are just doing much the same thing. We ain't going all the way to North Carolina. We're going to stay in Georgia, like I said previously. Hey, like I said previously, hey, your mama now. I want to do a moment of silence for we lost Rusty the Bikers last week, or well, mid of March. I don't remember the date. Anyway, Rusty the Biker Dale, he succumbed to his cancer, and he went home to be with the Lord, I guess. Well, I shouldn't say I guess. He was a good guy, so he was one of them guys who help you out any way he could. Rest in peace, Rusty the Biker. Moving right along, what was I saying? Oh shoot. GoPro stop recording. So this adventure we own, I believe that's what I was talking about. We are headed up to Chatsworth, Georgia. We're going to ride over Fort Mountain and stop some Overlook maybe. I ain't did that in a while. I looked at some B&B up through there, but they was sold out this weekend. Imagine that. Anyway, yeah, up on the mountain, trying to find a rates in the North Georgia mountain, probably because it's still spring break in some areas, I think, maybe, I don't know. Whenever you go, this is a YouTube courtesy call, you know what I mean? Anytime you're in the area of a Fowler motor vlogger, you got to give them a heads up that you be in their area. You know, it's just called respect, you know. Tell them you're going to be passing through their area, and so they can give you permission to come in their area. You got to pay that toll, you know what I mean? Rolling with T-Bone. He's busy, you know, that time of year, you know. He's in the Parks and Recs department and keeping these soccer fields and, you know, spring cleanup, you know, spring soccer and then baseball, and then nobody plays football anymore, I don't think. Basketball, they still do basketball. I think they got an auditorium, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna head north, and we'll stop and get us 93 dead dinosaurs, some dinosaur juice, fossilized dinosaurs, dinosaur blood. Oh Lord, we'll see in a few. I said in a few. Well, I'm right back. Temperature's dropped. It's 45.5 now. Just because we're sitting out in the sun. But anyway, it's supposed to warm up to 65, I think, today in the area we are going to. So, yeah, now I'll see you down the road when we get to Chatsworth, unless something exciting happens between here and there. Let's see if that car is going to just zoom on out through there. Well, he stopped. Mustang. You gotta watch them Mustangs. Right up here, history lesson. This right here was the capital of the Cherokee Nation. Woohoo! Yep. So the white man came in and took it over from him. But that was the capital of the Cherokee Nations. Yep. Comes the motorcycle. Woohoo! How you doing, friend? We've been seeing it a lot. A lot of people's traveling, look like, because they got their luggage. We traveling? Yeah, we love our little quick overnight trips and all. Have fun and enjoying life. Anyway, Mr. G called me on the way up here, and he was discussing, if you go watch his video right here, where he got us a new sponsor for BAM, or kind of new sponsor. We'll see where it goes, but we're going to have Thursday night. He was asking me, do we want to go there, they want us to come up there, and they're going to have a food truck. Woo, that wind, dang. And we hope. I remember last time we said you're going to have a food truck somewhere and it didn't show up. He said, nah, these people are going to take care of us. I was like, alrighty then. I don't have a problem with it. But Friday night, that's where we'll do the awards and everything. So it'll just be us BAM people. We'll see how it goes. They seem like pretty good people. Might let us, it said we could demo motorcycles. If you got a motorcycle endorsement. I might ride that little scooter thingy that they said to do 45 miles an hour. Anyway, we'll see you up the road, huh? What more to talk about? BAM's July the 9th to the 11th. We'll head on the 12th, I believe. 12th is Sunday. Anyway, off that burn. Alrighty. Yep, Alright, we up here in Chatsworth. We'll be going that way right there. Over that mountain right there, Fort Mountain. I don't know why they didn't give us the light. You gonna go? I can't even mind, reader. So that's supposed to be a place to eat up here somewhere. Bakehouse. I think that's a different kind of bacon we want. Guess what? It's Mexican, it is. That's what we're gonna eat here at the Super Burrito. That's good enough for me. Super Burrito Mexican Grill. Works for me. Well, that place is pretty good. So like, you tell them what you want on your burrito or taco or nachos. I got nachos. I'm thinking we can go out this way. We came in this way. We're going out this way. So, alright folks, I might be regretting this, but I took my leather jacket off and I already, yeah, it's not no, I should have, it's 59 degrees on the nose. Anyway, I've picked up dust there before in a tanker. Deliver stuff there, and then we picked, I don't remember, I think I picked up some rock dust from there. So this is going over to Fort Mountain up there. That's Fort Mountain, and it drops us out in Ellijay. But I think I'm gonna stop and put my little jacket on. Maybe I should have stopped right there. Would have been a good place to do it. Starting up the mountain. I don't guess still talking to you. Ain't on this one. It's been a while since I've been across Highway 52 up here in Chatsworth over the mountain. Fort Mountain Fort. F-O-R-T. Fort. There's a fort on it somewhere. There's a state park on it. I know that much. Pretty up here, ain't it? See Bigfoot, because trees ain't all leafed up yet. Foliage on the trees. There's a pull-off up here, a couple pull-offs. I just got to remember where they at. Like I say, it's been a while. Check out Chatsworth down there. Watch where I'm going. You'll be off down in Chatsworth. No guardrails. There's a pull-off, but that ain't the pull-off I'm looking for. Talk about snakes on the road, talk about the curve, but these damn tar check marks, these tar snakes on the road, oh, they get you. I mean, I can feel it when I hit them. They so thick, they ain't been rolled in good. Must put them down, 'cause you can feel them throwing your bike out of whack, or I can. Alright, this is a Chatsworth pull-off. One of the pull-offs. It seems like there's another one up here. Yeah, it's pretty up here. Yeah. These people, here comes a motorcycle. Woohoo! Right here, Victoria Miller. She's comes up here and takes pictures. If I could post, I'll put the link in the description to her page. She's up here usually on Fridays and Saturdays. So let's move on down the road. we're back. We're over here in East Ellijay. And looking for a alright, this Apple Distillery something supposed to be right here. I bet you. Deep South Farms. I wonder if this is it. Yes, that is it. Alright then. I always put these things right well, you can't get down here, and you got to go up this gravelly road. Looks good to me. Alright, we had I think 5 or 6 tastes. I don't 5. We bought 3 bottles. A cherry, a sweet grass, kind of a vodka, a wild cherry, and a cranberry. Now let's see if we can get back up to this mountain without crashing. A motor scooter. Well, hey, we got the light. Let's go. Put your phone down. Let's go. Say it says warmed up to 66 degrees. Pizza tonight, just hang out in the room. I don't know. We'll see what the night brings forth. So we'll see you in the morning. You can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow, later, sometime. It'll be whenever.